Low float CTOR is on the move in this pre market session of today, the 31st of March 2025. We haven't found any news behind this 106% gain. There might be some news out there, but first of all, it is a low float of around 3.5 million shares. And we have seen an intraday high that printed in this pre market session, 1.81. It's currently trading at 1.36. If you come here, let's see now. All the indications on the 4-hour chart is that momentum will be strong. That it's highly likely that the strength may be sustained, but don't really bank on that. We know very well that the stocks that are on the move in the pre-market session tend to fizzle out in the regular session. But at the same time, since it's a low float stock, there is a good chance we may see a sustenance of that. Okay, right now we have a mix of things on this 10-day, 10 on the it's PP1, PPM1 indicator. The indicator is positive, but all its derivatives are negative. In other words, suggesting that maybe we may not sustain this rally. We may not sustain it. So it has pulled up all the way through this upper projection of 1.25. So we could try and see whether we can get an idea of what the trading range can possibly be. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. Get this indicator here, the market grid. It's going to give us an indication of what the trading range could possibly be, but it may not take into account what's going on right now. Okay. No, it's not indicating. It hasn't. It's not using the current data now because we are trading at 1.36 now. Okay. Let's see now. Um, let's have a look at the 1 minute chart. It might give us an indication of something else, since it's live. Let's see. Okay, yes, a little bit more like it. We have 1 point trading range of between 1.2 and 1.35. We have seen even higher prices print already. So yeah, let's have a look at the 5 minute chart. It might give us something else. We're just trying to have a look at the trading range. Yeah, we have it 1.6 and all the way towards 1.43. It has actually printed 1.43 already. Okay, 15-minute chart. Let's see what the trading range is. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is more like it. We have between 0.8522 and 1.81. 1.81 has actually been printed. Okay, yes, more a little bit like it. 1.05 and 1.77 on the 45-minute chart. So the stock is in the move, as you indicated earlier on, as you can possibly see. We haven't found any news behind this rally. We had upper projections of 1.72 has printed already, 1.92, 2.14. This is all because it's a low float stock, 3.5 million shares. The possibility of those sort of prices printing is always there. So, as I indicated earlier on, it has given up some of the strength it gained. Now down, now up 90.98%. Yeah, just be careful with CTOR as well. Just be careful. It's a low float stock. We've seen low float stocks showing a lot of strength in recent trading sessions. Okay, let's look at the 30-minute chart and see. Okay, I think it's the 15-minute chart that has the best trading range. Is it? Yeah, the best trading range so far. covered all that has happened already in this session. 0.8522 up to 1.81. So it's currently trading at 1.26 now. As I indicated earlier on, we haven't found any news behind this spike, and this is, yeah, it's giving back some of those gains it ran up. But it's a low float stock. Something could happen. Higher prices could suddenly appear, or suddenly may eventually be printed. Okay, let me remove this and add a few more indicators. Let me have a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, there's an indication that strength might still be there. Strength might still be there. We have a positive ppm2 and the positive one. One of the derivatives is positive and the other one is negative. So it is an indication that strength might still be sustained. The Or rather, if you like, a moderation of the acceleration. The acceleration will be there, but it will just be tempered. Let's have a look at the ppm1 again. Okay, yeah. As a matter of fact, yes, it's yes, acceleration is will be there, but it will just be tempered slightly because we have a negative. One of the derivatives is negative. Yeah, so strength will remain in place, but it will just be tempered. Let's have a look at the ppm3 indicator. Yeah, same as well. So strength is expected to remain in place, but with some moderation because we have one negative derivative and everything is a positive value, positive momentum indication, and positive. Okay, sorry, we have two negative ones. So two negative derivatives. In other words, in the medium term on this 4-hour chart, weakness is expected. Still holding above this support of 1.25, 1.25, yeah. Okay, just see what you make of CTOR, low float, likely quite volatile in this session. Volumes have increased now. Let's see now what the volume is saying. Let's see, you might be able to pick up the volume here. Let's see. We have, yeah, 4 million. No, I think this is yesterday. We have to have a look at the, yeah, it's today, as a matter of fact. 4 million shares have crossed the tape. Yeah, 4 million shares have crossed the tape and counting. So highly volatile already. Yeah. So yes, I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.